Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be wrapping up the introduction to differential equations. And we're going to ask ourselves, what does it mean to solve a differential equation? So in a nutshell, what you want to do when you're solving a differential equation is to find an expression for the dependent variable so that if you find its derivative and then substitute that derivative into the differential equation, that equation would balance. So what do we mean by balance? We mean the left-hand side is going to equal the right-hand side. Let's look at an example. So here I have a differential equation. I know it's a differential equation because I have derivatives in that equation. The highest order of the equation is the second derivative, so we are working with a second order differential equation. And the question we have is y equal e to the x a solution to this differential equation? And in order to find out, what we want to do is we want to find the expression for the second derivative, the first derivative, we have what y is, and then substitute, and then the equation will balance. So we know that y equals e to the x. We also know that dy dx is also going to be e to the x. And so is the second derivative. So if we take the function y, we take the first derivative and the second derivative. So we take our function y equals to the x. Our first derivative is going to be e to the x, as well as our second derivative, because we know that's how e to the x works. Now we take these expressions and we substitute into our original equation. So we're going to get e to the x minus 3 e to the x plus 2 e to the x. And then we ask ourselves, what does that equate to? That is going to be equal to 0, right? Therefore, our left-hand side will be equal to our right-hand side. And that means that this is indeed a solution to the differential equation. And it's as straightforward as that. And what this means is, as you move through the course and you solve differential equations, you don't really need to wait for me to give you the answers because you can test it yourself. So whenever you find a solution for your differential equation, you just find the first derivative or the second derivative, if that's what you need to have, and substitute into your original equation. If that equation balances, that means your answer is correct. I'll see you next time. Bye.